Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these cute sleek low buns. So it's usually the first day I do a high bun and that leaves my hair stretched. So the second day I am parting my hair and this part is going to show, obviously, so you want it to be clean. Then next I'm just sectioning my hair in two and just putting it with water so that it's easy to work with. This is a hair tie that I'll be using to catch up my hair. I fold it in two so that my ponytail can be tight. Also, I use a Denman brush to brush in the section because I want my roots to be flat. So yeah, that's one side done and I just did the same thing on the other side. As you can see here, I demonstrate how I use the scrunchie and why I fold it in two. So usually before I make my buns, I lay down my edges so that my hair can be set before I start doing anything because it will frizz up back in no time. So I tie down with my scarf and I leave it to set for a while, and while that's setting I detangle my ends and just twist it up to keep it stretched and to keep it from knotting while I wait. So after a couple minutes, here's how I make my buns. I loose the twist and I just pin the ends of I just hold the ends of my hair together and pin the hair onto itself. I don't have enough hair to pin it anywhere else or to wrap it or anything, so I just fold it underneath and pin it onto itself. And that's pretty much it. So for the low bun, I'm not really going to get into any details, but again, I'm starting on stretched hair. It was stretched from the two low buns that I had previously, so it's easier for me to get it in a low bun. So I just use gel to lay down my edges and brush it down to smooth everything. I'm going to use the same hair tie and get it in one. And I'm just twisting the ends and then I'm going to pin the hair onto itself. If your hair is longer, you'll have hair to wrap around to form a bun, but my hair is short, so I have to pin it underneath itself to get it to look like a decent size. Or you can add weave, but yeah, I prefer to use my hair. So that's it. That's the final look. I hope this video was helpful for you guys and thank you for watching. Bye.